How much? If you're looking at roller shutters and thinking, do I need to remortgage the house for this? You're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the honest truth about roller shutter costs with a few laughs along the way. Every website says it depends, which is about as helpful as guessing jelly beans in a jar at the village fete. So let's break down what you're actually paying for and how to get the best value for your business, shop, office, or warehouse. First, yes, you want numbers. Here are typical UK guide ranges. Domestic or garage aluminium electric shutters, £800 to £2,000 plus. Commercial steel or aluminium electric shutters, £1,500 to £4,000 plus. Heavy-duty industrial steel electric shutters, £2,500 to £8,000 plus. High security options like LPS 1175, £2,500 to £10,000 plus. Fire-rated steel shutters, £2,000 to £6,000 plus. Your final quote depends on the details, so let's talk about what moves the price up or down. Here's what pushes costs up: size matters. Bigger opening means more material, more engineering, and more time. Sadly, there is no fun size discount. Type of shutter: fire rated, security rated, grills, high usage doors, more specification equals more cost. Color and finish: standard finishes are great value. Custom colors and powder coating can add a splash to your bill and your curb appeal. Automation and extras: remotes, key switches, safety edges, sensors, smart controls, brilliant features, but they do nudge the price up. And here's what can bring costs down: manual over electric. Fewer components, simpler install, and fewer parts to maintain. Standard sizes and finishes. If your opening is straightforward and you're happy with classic colors, you'll usually get the best value. Material choice: aluminium is lighter and often cost-effective. Steel is tougher and can cost a bit more. Less is more. Skip the bells and whistles, and your quote will look a lot friendlier. Now, why are some companies so cheap? The one-man band. Nothing wrong with a solo act, but if something goes wrong, support and aftercare can be limited. Cheaper materials. Bargain parts don't always stand up to daily use. Imported components. Sometimes fine, but sometimes they don't meet UK standards or come with reliable support. And yes, made in the shed shutters with no proper standards. We love a have-a-go hero, just not for something that protects your property. And why are some companies so expensive? Big overheads. Swanky offices and fleets of vans don't pay for themselves. Trying to do everything everywhere. More travel and admin often means higher prices. Premium branding. Sometimes you're paying for the name. And here's the quiet part out loud: multiple site visits can mean multiple charges. At HVP Security Shutters, we aim to be the Goldilocks of the shutter world, not too cheap, not too pricey, but just right. 34 years experience and thousands of installations. Top quality, sensible pricing. We keep overheads lean and focus on doing it properly. Quality without compromise. Robust materials, proven suppliers, qualified engineers. Friendly, honest service. Clear quotes, no hidden extras. Ready to get rolling? Don't guess, get the facts. Get in touch for a friendly, no obligation chat and a clear quote for your site. We'll help you choose the right shutter for your needs and your budget.